Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Sarkar Jala Shen kan sa IT no siya ka standing committee balatung da ka yeng dorba Rajya Sabha ya ka jing ai jing mut balaterwan na ki kunhon beper Kibadon hapo kshatri jongga Meghalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Rights Movement hakabaya day bar kajing terwa jongga Sarkar India banwan ra ya kajing penbaik temai ya ki kernit jongga 6 schedule ya gani karai la shim hadian baka subcommittee balatung da ka Sarkar Jalla ya ka balakli da menteri jongga Tanat District Council Affairs u James PK Sangma haka arpun retorik bunai nailor arjar khat khandai kala pediang ya kajing ai jingmut jongga Meghalaya Indigenous Tribal Constitutional Rights Movement haka jing yalang ka balalong hanong ba Shillong hadian balawai kajing yalang u menteri katna District Council Affairs u James PK Sangma haka jing ekran bat kelat pathai kubor ulayatu baka subcommittee kan sapen kre ya ka draft bala penrung lut ya kajing ai jingmut ya ki ba onsa IT no shen shaga Sarkar Jalla.
There were a few points which the members had raised coming from the district councils. They had raised concerns about the fact that, not concerns, but they had raised a point about the number of seats. So there was kind of mismatch between what the district councils had wanted in terms of the number of representatives, those who will be elected and those which will be nominated. So we have decided to take the suggestions given by the district councils on that matter and incorporate that into our recommendations. So, like for example, in Jandal's district council, it was not very clear in the amendment as to how many would be elected and how many would be nominated, due to some lack of clarity. So that has been that we are incorporating. In Khasi Hills, they want 29 members to be elected and 2 to be nominated, out of which 1 will be a woman. So in the draft amendment, not the draft, in the amended bill, in the bill which is for the amendment, the numbers are different. So for that, since Khasi Hills has requested, we have decided to put that into our recommendation. Tribes matter came up. It was discussed in the last meeting, also in this meeting also we discussed it, and there is unanimity in the decision that everyone wishes that the word unrepresented tribes should be removed, in terms of the nominated members which will be nominated by the governor. The word unrepresented tribe should be removed. So yes, we will be sending that, forwarding that to the standing committee. The other one is regarding the constitution of the use of the word village councils. So Khasi Hills and Jayante Hills both have traditional institutions which are democratically elected. These are self-governance institutions, and so there was a feeling that village councils is not required in Khasi and Jayante Hills because we already have traditional institutions which are duly elected. So in the case of KHADC and JHADC, that is Jayante and Khasi Hills, it has been decided, it was recommended that we will remove the word, that they will be excluded. A proviso will be inserted wherein it will recommend that village council should not be there for Khasi and Jayante Hills. The village council will continue to be relevant in to prevail in Garo Hills, but not in Khasi and Jayante Hills. Final draft is prepared. We will be taking the approval of all the members, and if there's any kind of typing typo or any kind of mistake in the drafting, we will make those necessary corrections after the members have gone through it, and then after that we will send it to Parliament.
Kongi kalong ba kahau si brokwe la menjur ban pha ya kajing ajing mot chupo standing committee ba ya ka Khasi Hills ba ka Garo Hills ka badan ka kantian bikibo ban penrung gili the tribes ya kali ya rai ban penbeng no ban bagi priang ya ban tung kita hi the tribes berkawe ya ka Khasi Hills ya ka jimbon bisi la ya menjur bagindan bitang lai kuit li kisi apo Khasi Hills ta pembuat aku hendai kente kiba elek masa bajit upat ba ban harun pada kiba shu si dan kiba shu thung kidan dai ki mat ri belaya kran hag bedai ban kini village council bat municipal council ilong bagadi ke bandan ke kentien kemyangi hang ni bandan ki village council municipal council yundan ke traditional institution of self governance kabamun idor barsnong idor barra idor barhima kilaka kamta terter te kataru belaya mencur bat sakawai ba kecing terikam yang village council bat municipal council kam di bentrikam kendon ki babu hangtu kam di bentrikam hang ni hapo kasih Vijay Hills lanyo Sugar Hills kita hi ki mat ki bangia keren ki ba hamlong he ki ba ktai mo cai mriu ba ni komiti kala mencur bat ba kan ben kre ya draft jongkan kan yang sarkar yang komiti ba bagi ni pek yang draft ba yang ni draft in phak pan ya ka sapo standing committee jongka raja how akawi tayo ka draft kan ready te ngatrai ha ka tayo ban kong jumla Oktober ayo kan phak no sapo standing committee jongka raja ka kertek badan mengi ko kisnong dor barra ki dor barhima ki dor barsnong kalong alien ye gibri hang the hapo mainland Indian marublik musuku rei village council pada kadi ketian ka bolong salon sarlang khamtam village council hapo Assam buat ko Garo Hills sugidan dengan village council ka act 1958 de bat ingi hang ni de kataw ngi perung ketian tradition institution ka bomut kidor barsnong kidor barra kidor barhima bat kumta terter de dei menta bangi ong bagi ni perung ini ketian de nginget bagani standing committee jong sabha kan sim ini jing ajimut kan pendrung hagan dikabil kebandan
Dep define untuk private rights to include surface subsurface. Kani tak bah kamtam yang kam duyong mentah. Tak kadau dak bagi include yang ini. Amendment kam bagi propose mentah. Kan le chwa sya Delhi. Nah kani ke komiti ke kam jongka kani ban review tang kani ke present amendment ke pending for standing committee. Hari ini don kam begini ki point so don kam ban consider. Mendai tam consider bikin rong. Mengenai keren betul, ngidon kami ban budin di kene student.
Kalian cukup mitram, kani kadi kawai yang hang ba ngingi labu hak mada, ba KST les kejoni kadi ban long bay tang nakam taki indigenous people jong kani ka state of Meghalaya. Baling ngawai kata dah pupuram, bar lada khasi ni ino ilong me khasi khot sama jungi. Kinlay pantray Mizoram ni kinlay pantray Nagaland ni Assam ngiladu ya ka status jungi kum KST pengibat ngi kokotang hapo ke jurisdiction jong ka state of Meghalaya ngimla panestai til ka long harta ka do kamla pan long one sided affair ba ngingin khot yikiway bakin enjoy ta ST category jongki hapo state jongni taba ki jongni pat kan delek skoi pat ki state kimyo ban enjoy ya kata ST category ti ka dei ban long silencer ada ngingim la ban long ST category kim khai nyingi skoi ki state ki jongki cha Assam Mizoram cha Wechwe niru ngimla ban pediang epi bapin sim bapin kami ta hop ti ba phila ban enjoy kita facilities hang ni hasti jungi kumki ST category naka liang kami pram ngingila ai ya ka memorandum ke jungi ki suggestions ki jungi hakani komiti bat ka komiti kala ong bakan sim khia ban ra ikanish ban yakren bat sarkar pada tingin pek ka outcome jong kani